Today we're talking about fascia connective tissue and how it relates to facial aging. Fascia is connective tissue, as I said, that is present throughout your whole body. It's a thin web of tissue that just covers everything from the top of your head to in between your organs, in between your muscles and everything. And obviously it also affects the face. And many people don't talk about this, but when connective tissue gets tough and dried out and very dense, together with muscle tension in your face, it begins to pull your skin into a lower position and into a more in position. So basically like this. And in order to prevent that, we need to massage our faces so that we can release this fascia and we can also release tension in the muscles. Well, this is because it's a lie that the facial muscles are exactly the same as body muscles. They are actually not at all the same. Muscles in the body are attached to bone, and therefore you can't make expressions with your bodily muscles. But our facial muscles, they are connected on one side to the bone and on the other side on the skin, and that is why we can make so many movements, and you can see that with your skin being moved into different expressions. You can smile, you can be sad, you can, get angry, you can do all these things exactly because your facial muscles are not as the bodily muscles. Therefore, they do not need the same exercise as you so often hear. You need to exercise your face because you're also exercising your body. No, nothing could be further from the truth. What we need is relieving tension from the face and creating glide and hydration in our deep tissues, in the connective tissues, in the fascia. And today I want to show you one simple way of doing that. It's one of my favorite techniques that I use all the time. The beauty about fascia release as well is that you don't need any oils. Most of the time you will need any glide. It's actually good to not have it, so that you want to do it on clean, dry skin. So I have no makeup on whatsoever. I didn't even put moisturizer on yet today. I just realized I have two kids. I ran out of the house this morning and I forgot to put on everything. So this is my absolutely bare face with the hat on because I can't show you my hair today because I'm having a very bad hair day. So here we are. But I'm still going to show you some technique from my 15-minute facelift system, which, by the way, this video is sponsored by me, sponsored by my online business. It's sponsored by my course, my program, the 15-minute facelift system, which is a system of 42 different fascia and deep tissue release techniques structured into 7 days. So each day you are doing different techniques, each day you're doing a different routine, and through the course of 7 days you have done a lot of great techniques, and you can really rejuvenate your face and see a huge difference and success. So that's that. Anyway, let's get into our technique today. So it's the rolling technique. I love it, and I will show you how to do it today. There are some more advanced ways of doing it also, which I teach, but for today we are going to use a very effective, very simple way of this technique. So you're just going to grab 2 fingers, and we are going to start here along the neck, and you're going to grab tissue. The reason why you don't want any oil is because if you had oil on, you wouldn't be able to grab this tissue like that, and then you wouldn't be able to get into your fascia, into your connective tissue. And this is exactly what we want. We want to lengthen everything and bring it up. Do not worry about stretching your skin, overstretching your skin. I'm doing this all the time. My skin is not stretched in. Contrary, I'm 43, over 43, and I have my skin, is just constantly getting better as I keep massaging and doing more of this. So yeah, you're just gonna basically grab and walk, going up, up, up. I like to just go up above the jawline. And you will feel sometimes that there is an area that feels way more dense. So for example, around here, I feel like I'm okay. But as soon as I come over here, you can even see that on the video probably, that tissue just gets much more dense. There is more tension in this area for me. There is more tightness. So I will be massaging and working through this area a little bit more in order to define and relieve this area, which for me is a bit more of my area that I, get some density and some sagging around here. So let's get this done. Just grab the tissue and work your way up, not being scared at all. If your skin gets a little bit red, that's good. We want some blood flow. Blood flow is a good thing. And if it feels irritated, you can always put a little bit of moisturizer, just so that your skin is not rubbing too hard. You can still grab the tissue, but you will not be causing any irritation on top of your skin by just adding a little bit of moisturizer. I don't need this most of the time. I have quite steady skin. Now I can just stretch a bit and voila, alive. And let's go on the other side. This side is my worst side. I have more pigmentation on this side. I have more spots on this side, as you can see. We all have one good side, one bad side. That's just how it is. But I also drive like on the left. So obviously with the sun always hitting this side, this is still also from times when I forget to put sun cream on, and then that's that. That side just ages faster. You get pigmentation marks, blemishes and everything. So even more important to massage. I will do another video on the skincare that I'm using to help fade pigmentation marks if you want. But massage for me always works the best for everything. Massage obviously, and diet. Again, for another topic, if you're interested with any of these things, just comment below so that I know what you want to know about, what you want to know from me. I think talking, I forgot to start a bit down below, but basically I will do a sort of massage like that every day because it's super simple, it's super effective, and it is a strong massage, which I like, and I feel like it has a beautiful, wonderful effect on my skin every time I do a deep massage, and you can't really do anything wrong with this. It's just one technique to nail, and once you have that one, you can build on and do more stuff. But this is such a good technique, and you can use this not only up here on the cheeks, you can use this around the eyes, on the forehead, on the chin, front, side, back of the neck. Like, there's so many ways of using this technique, and I have everything explained inside 15-minute facelift system, which is at the moment as a holiday special, reduced in price. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. So yeah, you can check it out if you want. And I'm looking forward to seeing you inside and teaching you all my secrets. Until then, let me know what else you would like to see in terms of your face. What else? What other areas? What other concerns do you have? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Speak soon.